Stop. If accounting has ever confused you, give me 60 seconds. I'm about to explain accounting the way your teacher never did. Let's go. Accounting is not maths. It is simply storytelling of money. Who got what? Who gave what? And why? That is 3 W's. 3 W's in accounting. The first W, that is what. The second W is why. The third W is who. This is referring to the person who receives or gives. This is referring to items. Items received or give. And this is referring to the purpose at which the item is received or give. Think of every transaction like a Nigerian market exchange. You collect something, that is debit. When you collect something, you debit it. Then you give something, that is credit. When you give out something, that is credit. Simple. Example. You buy suya for 2,000 naira. ₦2,000. When you buy suya, your stomach is happy. That is debit suya because you receive suya. So debit suya. No, suya is an expenses. That is talking about what? What do you buy? What? The item is suya. So you debit suya because you receive suya. Then your wallet will be crying. That is credit cash. Your wallet will be crying. You credit cash. Because money leaves you. You credit cash. Cash goes out. Just like that, you understand accounting. Every business in the world does only this. Record what they got and record what they gave. That is double entry accounting. The entire secret. If accounting ever confuse you, it is because it was over-explained. But the truth is, accounting is just the science of tracking how money moves, nothing more. Just learn accounting in 60 seconds, and it finally makes sense. If you want more no-stress accounting lesson, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling.